Hi guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. Look at all these items. These are all items I really wanted to order in the USA, but it was just too expensive. Well, it wasn't that expensive because, you know, this was $7.90 and it's a really nice price for what's in here. I'm gonna show you in a minute. But if I want to have it shipped to Europe, to the Netherlands, it's about $20 shipping and then VAT and stuff, and it's just way too expensive. And I have loungefly pins and ornaments and stuff, and yeah. Anyway, it's really hard to get stuff from the USA to the Netherlands, and now it's also really hard to get stuff from the UK to the Netherlands. Because of Brexit, it's all so expensive. So I order a lot in the USA and then I have it shipped to my good friend Lisa. She doesn't mind. She has a little box somewhere in the corner, and every time I order something, she just puts it in the box until it's full and then she ships it to me. So I have only one time shipping, one big box full of items. And I'm not sure if I already uploaded it because I am filming lots of Alice in Wonderland stuff, but not that much other things, and it's just a weird time for me now. So I did film me unboxing all of this in the huge box that Lisa sent me, and she sent so many lovely items that she made herself or that she found for me herself. So if I already uploaded it, go check it out. If you haven't seen it, I'll just leave a card somewhere over here. Anyway, this was in the box, so you already see this. I'm gonna put it aside. Maybe I'm gonna start with those because you've seen them already. So sweet of Lisa to do this for me, because otherwise I could not get this one. This one was sold out in the UK in a matter of hours, I think. It was so hard to get. Now this was before Brexit, so I could buy it in the UK. I always buy at Disney UK, Shop Disney UK, but they don't send to the Netherlands anymore. We now have Shop Disney Europe, and they have nothing on the site. There are, I think, 25 Alice in Wonderland items on Shop Disney UK, and there are 3 items on Shop Disney Europe. It's, yeah. And then Germany and France, there are other sites that have lots of nice items, but they don't ship to the Netherlands. Yay, gotta love Brexit. But anyway, so these were all sold out in the UK, but they were still for sale in the US. So I had it shipped to Lisa. Thank you, Lisa. It's so sweet that she does this for me. And look at this. So this is the cute Cheshire Cat. I didn't have this in my Christmas tree last year because it wasn't here yet. Look at the backside. Oh, I love it. Down on Thunder. Oh, yonder. I thought it said Thunder. Back and that way, and it's just a gorgeous Cheshire. And when you do this, are you ready for this? Oh, are you ready for this? Ta-da! He lights up. It's so awesome. So, like I said, I didn't have this one in my tree because I didn't have it back then. I just got it last month. Or, like I said, I'm not sure when I'm gonna upload this because I've had some really sad weeks and I really felt happy filming all my Alice in Wonderland items. So I've got loads and loads of Alice videos. Yeah, so this might be, when I'm filming this, it's beginning of March. It might be the end of March when I upload this. It might be next week. I don't know which one I'm gonna upload first. Anyway, that's not important. But isn't it gorgeous? So this one I really like. I love the way it's painted. I love the colors. I love the Cheshire is a bit darker, but when you do this, it's bright. Well, it's not really bright pink, but a bit bright pink. It's just so funny. And then I finally have this one. Now this one I ordered in the UK. They still had that one, but the package never arrived. So yeah, I asked them, can you ship it again? And they shipped everything again, except for this one, because it was sold out. I got my money back. But I didn't want my money back. I wanted the ornament. So I did order it in the US, and I had it shipped to Lisa. And again, so sweet. She just put it in the box. But this one arrived, well, this year. But my daughter ordered one as well. And that one did arrive, only the face was so ugly. It had really ugly smears on it. So she said, it's not really nice, can I have another one? And yes, she could have another one. So she had to ship this one, well, hers back, and then she got another one. And I had that one in my tree. I borrowed it from her. That's so sweet. Well, she said, do you want it in your tree this year? Anyway, so she got a new one, but I didn't because it was sold out. Sold out. So, well, I ordered this in the US, and I was so happy that the face was really nice because I saw so many pictures of this cute Alice with weird smudges on the face, but this one is awesome. Now, the hands of almost every figurine really look like this. Not really nice, but come on, this is so tiny to paint. So, oh well, it's okay. And look at it, look at cute Dinah. And look at the rabbit hole. You can really almost fall into it. I think it's an awesome little figurine. And I have them in my collection room. Well, I'm going to take this off. But I have them in my collection room on a shelf. And I look at them the whole year. And I'm going to put the light on of this one every now and then. And then at Christmas they go in a tree. Which is very creepy because we have a weird cat. And it might fall over and the tree, not the cat. And it might all break. I know, but it just has to go in the Christmas tree. So I enjoy this the whole year and I just hope it doesn't break. So thank you so much again, Lisa, for getting these. Well, for having this in a box in your room somewhere for a long time. And I also have this one. I already showed you a little bit. It's a cute little Funko Pop keychain and it is Disneyland 65th anniversary. The Mad Tea Party attraction. It's a spinning teacups and I haven't opened it. I'm gonna open it now. I really love this packaging. So I saw that this one was for sale at Hot Topic, I think it was. And I really wanted it, but yeah. Hadn't seen it in the Netherlands, and at a certain point I thought I'm just gonna order it at Hot Topic. Was it Hot Topic or Bucks Lunch? Lunchbox? I don't know. I think Hot Topic. It doesn't say on here. Anyway. I had it shipped to Lisa again. Oh my gosh, it's cute. Like I said, I haven't seen it up close yet. Oh, she's so gorgeous. Look at her. A little teeny tiny spinning teacup with an Alice with a huge head in it. It's a Funko Pop. They always have huge heads. That's Funko. Okay, look at her. So I do have this one as a big figurine. And then I saw they had these little keychains. And I just wanted one. I really wanted one. And I've got it for the normal retail price. Because by now I've seen them in the Netherlands. But I ordered this about half a year ago, I think. It was, I think, the first thing I ordered that was shipped to Lisa from the new batch because she sent stuff to me before. And all that time it's been over there and I really wanted it. But anyway, this was insane to have shipped to the Netherlands. And like I said, I did see some now in the Netherlands, but for ridiculous prices. So I'm so happy I got this one. And Lisa didn't mind keeping it half a year in her room. It's just so gorgeous. It's so cute. It's gonna look so amazing with the rest of my spinning teacups. Awesome. Awesome. And again with this, I normally throw out the box by now, but this one is just so cute. I'm not sure. I might just keep these. I don't know why. I can always throw them out later. Okay, I need to speed this up a bit because it's gonna be a long video. I do have lots of pins. Look at this. I had loads of pins shipped to Lisa. Again, this one, let me open it first. This one, oh, look at it. Awesome, right? Isn't it awesome? It's got the rocking horse fly and it's got the bread and butter fly and the rose and the pansies. That called a pansy? I don't know. Een viooltje in Dutch. And it is a Loungefly pin set. And this was, I think, about $25 or so. Or $20, I don't know. But if you buy this in the Netherlands now, it's 40, 50 euros. So, yeah. It is so nice again to just buy it for retail price and have it shipped to Lisa. And look at it. I got it. It's so gorgeous. Normally I can't buy pin sets like these. I mean, I do spend a lot of money on my Alice collection, as you might know, because I have a video every week. But I always, you know, I'm always looking for the bargains and for cheap items. And There's a lot that I don't buy, but there's a lot that I do buy. But I try to buy as much as I can for the money that I have set aside every month for my Alice allowance. And yeah, because this was retail price, I could buy it. It's so gorgeous. And I did buy more pins on eBay. So I'm just gonna unbox these first. It's gonna be a pin video. Okay. So I bought this one on eBay. Wait. It is again a Loungefly pin, and it is the Loungefly backpack. I'm gonna put all of this aside for a minute. Can you see it better? It is the backpack of the Red Queen, and I do have this backpack. So to have a pin of this is really, really very funny. And yeah, I bought a whole set of pins that I'm gonna show you later on, this set. But I also found this one on eBay for a nice price, and shipping wasn't that expensive as long as I don't ship it to the Netherlands. So I shipped it to Lisa again, and it's gorgeous. And also at Loungefly I bought this one. I saw it for again retail price, and then it's affordable. Pins are expensive. This was €9.90. But if I buy this later on in the Netherlands, it's €20. So that's about maybe $24 or so. So I'm so happy to buy this at retail price. And it says late for everything. Isn't it gorgeous? And to be honest, this one I got for free because Loungefly made a mistake with the order and they tried to correct it, and then it went wrong again, and then they tried to correct it again. So normally if something goes wrong with an order, I just tell them. If I pay too much or too little, I just tell them. But this just went on, and at a certain moment I thought, you know what? I got this one for free. That's nice. And this one as well. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's a lenticular pin. And like this, it's just a dress. And like this, you can see the little mice. If you can see it, it's really hard to show you. Look at it. It's so gorgeous. Yeah, so well, these two I got for free. So, sorry, I think it was Loungefly. Well, sorry, it was their own fault. I can't help it, I tried. Anyway, so those pins I have. So let me show you some other items before I show the rest of the pins. I also bought this one. Again, at Loungefly. Isn't it awesome? I think I bought it. Was this Loungefly or Hot Topic? I think it was Hot Topic. Here it goes. Hot Topic. So this was also a Hot Topic. I ordered this one. At first I thought it was dirty. I thought, oh, it's dirty. It's got all kinds of spots. But that's the fabric. It's supposed to be like that. It's a bit weird actually. But I just love this so much, and it wasn't that expensive. And yes, I did pay for this one. I ordered a few times. But it's so gorgeous, and it's so handy. I am going to use it because it can get a little bit more dirty before I want to put it in my collection. You know, sometimes I use items, and when it gets too dirty, I just stop using it and use something else and put it in my collection. So this one I can use for a while. When I'm in my wheelchair and I'm just going somewhere, and it's sometimes nice to have just a little purse with you. And it has a little zipper over here. So it's a really handy thing. I think I'm gonna have lots of fun using this. Gorgeous, right? I think it was $10, something like that. Over here it says $14.90, but I think I paid $10 for it. It was on sale, probably. Awesome, right? Okay, well then I have a few more pins. These, all Loungefly pins. I'm gonna take them out of the box. I hope they're the right ones, because I did order the whole set. And I haven't checked them yet, but I can't send them back anyway. So this I bought on eBay. And I think they opened them all, and no, they didn't. So how do you know it's the right one? Oh my gosh, I hope I bought the right one. I hope these aren't just blind boxes and I have 6 of the same. It's gonna be fun. Oh, it's the caterpillar. Look at it. Are they gonna do a backpack of this one day? Can I show you up close? Look at him. It's the caterpillar as a backpack. That would be so nice. I hope they're gonna make this one. So let me just get these out of the boxes, and then we'll see together if these are all the same or... Right, anyway. Okay, right. Well, I hope I've got the whole set. I did order the whole set. And but these haven't been opened, so how do they know which one it is? And they were really wrapped up tightly in this, so they hadn't been opened at all. So I hope you can see that. Sometimes you can see it, the number it has. So this is pin number 1458 and this is 1458. Great. Well, that's gonna be fun. So I thought I ordered the whole set, and let's just see if I did. Oh boy. Here we go. Is it the same one or is it a different one? Actually, this is kind of exciting, but... Oh! Look at it. It's Cheshire. Look at the tail. I do have this backpack. It's amazing. Look at them. Okay. 2 down. 4 to go. What will it be? Will it be... Oh boy. This is actually kind of exciting now, because when I thought I had the whole set, it was just I have the whole set. But now I'm not really sure. And I'm not sure how to open this. Where do I open this? This is a special one. Oh, it's already, this one has been opened. Okay. It is a white rabbit. These are so fun. And also because I do have these backpacks. It's just so funny. Okay, that one had been opened. But this one... Ah, wait. No, it's not as exciting anymore. They have been opened. Well, that's not as exciting anymore. But still... Now I know I probably have the whole set, so it's still exciting. Okay, what's in here? Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It is the Mad Hatter. Awesome. I do have this backpack. So I do have these 3. This one they still need to do. I hope I didn't miss it. This one, has it been opened? Yes, it has. Oh, look at it. It is the Martyr. This one I don't have. I don't have a backpack of this one. But I do have a pin. It's awesome. Okay, and then the last one. Well, this is probably then the Dormouse. Oh, that would be so nice. Is it? Is it the Dormouse? It is. It was fun to think for a little while that they were really blind bags. But I'm happy I've got the whole set. Because they are pretty expensive by now. I ordered these about half a year ago also. Maybe 5 months ago. And yeah, they have been going up in price since then. I love this one. I want this one as a backpack. So they have 3 not as a backpack and 3 they do have as a backpack. Can you see them? They are so cute. I love these pins. They are so cute. And then of course I have... Where did I put her? The Queen. The Queen. It's so nice. So guys, that's all the items that Lisa collected for me, that I shipped to her and that she put in a box and kept safe for me. I also have a t-shirt that is upstairs, but it is a cute Alice in Wonderland t-shirt that I had shipped to Lisa. And isn't it amazing? It's awesome. I love it. So I've got all of these awesome items. I bought them in the US, I shipped them to Lisa, and she shipped them to me. And you know what? I already bought a new item, a Funko Pop, and I had it shipped to Lisa. So there's a new box filling up, well, with 1 item. Oh, and this one. Look at it. It's so cute. So guys, give Lisa lots of love in the comments down below and give her lots of thumbs up. All the thumbs up of this video are for Lisa. It's so sweet of her. And she says it's no trouble. And, you know, it's maybe not that much trouble to get this in the mail and put it in a box, in my box, in the Karen's Corner box in the corner of her room. But still, she checks it and she says that there's new stuff, and then she puts it in the box and then she ships it to me, and it's just so sweet. Thank you so much. And I'm just gonna put the light on of this one. I like it. So again, I would always love to know what's your favorite of this set. This is hard. I do love this set of pins, but I love lenticular stuff, and I love... This is not Alice, by the way. This is Cinderella. So lots of Alice stuff and 1 Cinderella pin. I love everything. I'm so happy I've got a really nice one of this one. I'm so happy I've got this one, and I love everything. But I would love to know what you like best. So that's it for today, guys. And all that's left to say is thank you, Lisa. En groetjes uit Wonderland. Greetings from Wonderland. Bye.